Good evening and thank you for joining us. I'm Monique Davis. U.S. Department of Homeland Security Kristi Noem's recent visit to Springfield ruffled some feathers in the Illinois Democratic leadership. During her time, Noem met with two people being deported, but would not allow a photographer or reporter inside. She also says Governor J.B. Pritzker is protecting criminals more than his citizens. Pritzker says that's not the case.
Governors like J.B. Pritzker don't care if gangbangers, if murderers, rapists, and pedophiles roam free in his state. If they are here illegally, he's going to protect them.
During her visit, DHS Secretary Noem frequently criticized the lack of cooperation or information coming out of local and state law enforcement. She says Illinois law enforcement groups need to be working with ICE agents. However, these groups may be limited by current Illinois law. In 2017, the General Assembly and Governor Bruce Rauner passed a bipartisan bill into law called the Trust Act. This act says, quote, "A law enforcement agency or law enforcement official shall not detain or continue to detain any individual solely on the basis of any immigration detainer or civil immigration warrant, or otherwise comply with an immigration detainer or civil immigration warrant," end quote. Cases of deportation are considered federal civil offenses. However, if there is a federal criminal warrant, Illinois law enforcement may assist in detainment or arrest. Noem brought up the death of Emma Schaefer, a local woman whose killer Gabriel Calixto is wanted by U.S. Marshals for first-degree murder.
People who support sanctuary policies talk about love and compassion. Well, where's the compassion for the families that stand behind me? Where's the compassion for Emma, who died on this street, and her killer is still out, roaming free, with no consequences for his actions?
The Illinois Way Forward Act was signed in 2021 by Governor J.B. Pritzker and added more stipulations to the Trust Act. In Calixto's case, state and local law enforcement agencies could be able to help. The two groups are not allowed to help in part, quote, unless presented with a federal criminal warrant or otherwise required by federal law, end quote. Springfield police have told us previously they don't believe Calixto is within their jurisdiction anymore. Schaefer's family notably released a statement begging Noem to stop using Emma as a talking point.
That was Spencer Davis reporting. We will bring you more details on Calixto as they become available. If you have any more information regarding Calixto, you can contact Task Force Officer Javon Barron at 217-206-5509 or Deputy U.S. Marshal Z. Robson at 217-552-2253.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and be sure to watch more videos from Fox Illinois.